Man, I am so tired today.
Classy Pig, what are you doing?
Oh, yes, oh, the beauty, the magic, the wonder, the creativity, the absolute.
What are you doing? Pork Trooper, I swear, it's not what it looks like.
Oh, it looks pretty suspicious alright to me, buddy. Right, explain yourself.
Well, I just was looking for a top hat to buy and I just couldn't help myself, okay? I mean, look at them! Look at all of these wonderful, wonderful top hats. Look at them!
You know what? In many ways I can't see it, but I can really tell you're Little Pork's brother. Good chat, dear fellow. Back to my enjoyment.
Oh my. Would you look at that? What's your name, dear fellow? Oh, how I wish I could have a top hat like yours. So majestic, so bold. I cry and weep every day without you. A pig can dream.
Ah well, I guess my days continue on, hatless, and in shame.
Anyway, you know it's hard to believe, my brother. Once you join the team, all you want to do is look at hats. Good morning, one and all. Good morning.
So what's the plan then gonna be for today?
Well, I, for one, don't know. Well, we have to do something. We can't just sit here and do nothing, now can we? Honestly, a part of me just doesn't care. But then again, we're not doing anything. Makes me sad. Makes me think I'll just drink out of this giant cola bottle instead. You excuse me, I'm going to go. Have you dudes not thought to, ask what they're doing? We could just ask. Or, better yet, just listen in. Honestly, I never thought of that. Count me in.
Aha! Wait, no, that's not right. Aha! No.
Aha, it's... No. I'll just stick with my normal words for now. Aha, there you are, Pork Trooper. I've been meaning to talk to you. Hey boss, how's the voice changer going? Well, as you can tell, kind of terribly, but that's not the point. I was thinking more about what we said last time. And I was wondering to myself, maybe it's us that don't need to change. It's who we recruit. Right, so what you got? Well, I thought instead of trying to recruit someone, I'd catch some Pokemon instead. Pokemon? Why them? But just think about it, with all the type advantages they have and all of the different powers they have in general, it's a perfect idea. Why don't we have them on our team? Besides, I already have Porky and Porkins working on it right now. I hate this job so much. To be one with the great outdoors. Truly magnificent. No? Yeah, that's easy for you to say, coward. Anything in here? No. Perhaps we're just looking in the wrong places. We are trying to hunt wild animals after all. I'm bored! I'm bored too, without a shadow of a doubt. But I'm bored! I know, you just said, but I'm bored! We're never gonna find him at this rate. At this rate, you'll scare him off. What do you expect we do?
Well, how about this? You go that way, I'll stay around here, and then we look for them on our own. Sound like a plan?
Oh, come on. You need my help, otherwise we'll never find them. Besides, I'd be able to point them out with my loud voice.
Look, I'm gonna say this one time. Do you know the one most important rule of Pokemon hunting?
No, it's to be quiet. Oh, I see. You gonna do that? Nah. Don't wait. Look, you go that way. I'm gonna search over here, alone. Oh, that felt good. Something. Aha! There it is. Ah! That's one down.
come with me.
I wonder if there's anything this way. Is that? My, it is. I finally found one. Hello there, little buddy. You seem alone out here. Do you want to come with me? Huh, wonderful. Come on, follow me then, you friend. Well, you're a lively one. There's gotta be a new one around here. Somewhere. Another one. Hello there, my good friend. How are you doing? Oh, don't worry. I'm not your enemy. I'm just here to catch you, if you get what I mean. I'm on fire! Yeah, that one was bad. Anyway, do you want to come with me or not? What I mean, have you got anything better to do? Great, come on then, let's go. Come on, it'll be fun. Don't be like that. One Pokemon was alright, but I think I need two to really prove myself. Wonder where I can find. There we go. I found one. Just look at him. He's just sitting there. Sitting there like he owns the place. Maybe if I just get close. Well, if that won't work, I guess I'll have to try plan B. Oh, Aerial Piggy, do you read me?
Aerial Piggy, I read you loud and clear.
I could use a little help of capturing this Pokemon if you don't mind.
Affirmative. Deploying giant human hand.
Wonderful. Thanks, Aerial Piggy. Quite the selection you got there. You know, 2 cats, an owl, and a seal. How are they supposed to help us? I thought you were going to get good, strong Pokemon. But no, you just got these 4. I can't trust you with anything, can I? Oh, sorry. I didn't know we were supposed to get flippin' legendaries. Would you look at that? They're like giants compared to me. Look at them. They're huge. Alright, it wouldn't be that bad. How are we going to communicate with them, though? Actually, I remember Aerial Piggy talking about the universal translator he's been developing. We could use that, it's worth a shot. Really? Well, it's worth a shot, of course. You guys alright with that? I'm going to take those noises as yes. Aerial Piggy, I need the universal translator.
This is Aerial Piggy, deploying the translator.
It's a gun. Our translator is a gun?
Yes, it is a gun. Observe, I shall use it in action. A deploying human hand. You shall aim it at the subject and fire. Selecting a subject. There we go. Watch and learn. This is Aerial Piggy firing.
What the? This is different. Hi. I can talk now.
Hey, you were that nice person who found me. Thank you. You're my best friend, you know that? Why, thanks to you too for coming along with me. Oh, it was nothing. Right, follow me then. Oh, I wonder where we're going. Enough of this technical jib-jab. Just fire into the rest of them already. I'm getting tired. If you insist, firing at the rest of them. Yo, what up? Yo, it's me. Yo. I know it's a bit early to say it, but I hate him already. Yo, what's happening, everybody? Come here to help. Where do I find food? Oh no, you don't. The food's mine. Nah, I think the food's mine.
Not you can get there first.
Oh, don't worry, bruv, I can fly. I'm gonna beat you. Firing at third target. What was that supposed to do? Look at me now. Look what you've gone and done. Now I'm speaking English. This is like the worst thing that's ever happened to me. Like, God. Ugh.
Oh, well, would you look at that? We look like we have ourselves a little emo.
I am not an emo. I'm anything but an emo. Emos disgust me. Ugh. Life's just complicated, alright? Now for the final one. I shall shoot and fire.
Yeah, would you look at that? I can talk. Yeah? What's this voice supposed to be? Anyway. Greetings there, new friends. I am Meowth. I'm getting a vibe from you. A vibe I haven't felt since I first met Pork Trooper. Thanks? Gee, that's swell. I can't wait to start working for you.
Yes. Working. Now then, Pork Trooper. Yes, boss? Time to get our little plan prepared. And what are you asking me now? Go get the supplies for our next mission. I am going to be discussing our plan with our new friend over here.
Oh boy, let's go talk about it.
Even though he does seem like a little bit of a loony, but you know what? I'll just take my chances. It's another lovely day today. You could say that again, but wait. Where'd Matilda go?
Matilda, I heard you still at the nest.
Yep, looks like Matilda will be joining us today then, boys. Well, that can only mean more for us. Yay, indeed. But on that note, has anyone seen the pigs at all? I haven't seen them all day. Nope, no pigs in sight. Although I think I see something. I see it too.
What is that thing?
Well, there's only one way to find out, so if you excuse me.
What is that?
Right then, what are you?
Well, I'm a Pokemon.
What the heck is a Pokemon?
Well, kind of like animals, but kind of not, but kind of are at the same time.
Oh, I see. So that means that there'll be no repercussions if I do this.
The bird just hit an innocent creature. Guys, come see.
Are you serious? Well, I'm out of here. They did what now?
Why, I don't believe it. How could they do such a thing?
I'm in a tree.
You okay there, little buddy?
Yeah, I'm fine. But those people are rude.
Yes, they are. Boys, get in here.
Oh! Don't worry, buddy. I'm here to help you as well.
As you can see, we are the Anti-Pokemon Bullying League, so please do not bully them, because they do not deserve it.
Oh, that's how it's gonna be. That's how it's gonna be.
Well, you heard him. Get him, boys.
I wanna go too! No. Let me handle these ones. Wait, was this their idea? Yep. This means I can finally get down the tree. Uh-oh. Right, looks like we've been called into it, boys. Let's go.
The battle time.
Yeah, let's do this. How about if I just...
Beat that, birds.
It's been a while, so I'm gonna go down the slide. Yeah. Bingo, pig, 10 o'clock. Ha! Oh, you got me.
Ow. Ow. What was that for? Ow. Stop it. Ow. Ow. That's just... Ow. Oh, you don't have... Ow. Now you're gonna... No. You're gonna do it now. Aha! Got ya. You're not gonna do it? Maybe. When are you gonna do it? Sometime. You gonna... Ow! myself up here. Now I'm safe.
Ding dong, did you forget about me or something?
Maybe.
Doesn't matter. Anyway, I'm just gonna take you, and then we're gonna fly over here, okay? And you know what we're gonna do?
What are we gonna do?
We're gonna go in there. Bye-bye, little pig. Have fun down there.
You may think so, but if I use air support, I'll get out of here, so, air support! Are you gonna get me out of here or what? Perfect. Yeah, man. Thank you. No problem, dude.
Oh, come on, that's cheating.
Whoa, who's that? I wanna go see them.
Whoa, hello there.
Hello, what's your name?
I'd rather not state my name. What's yours?
My name's Rowler. I'm a ball. Get it? A Pokeball. Anyway, I'm here to roll you away.
Really?
You did not hear me? I said I'm here to roll you away. Oh, that's not good.
No, it's not. Try to be more creative next time, okay?
Well, let's put it this way. You like jokes? I like jokes. Uh-oh, I'm gonna fuck.
Right, look, buddy, are you alright?
Yeah, I'm great. Never felt better in all my life.
I mean, I've heard of rowlers before. They're not usually this dumb. Wonder what caused it.
That's one down.
Nothing in particular. Right, let me get this straight. We have an owl, a seal, hello, and a cat. Look, my dude, like, I don't know what you like, but, like, I honestly hate being called a cat, and I much prefer the term feline. So, you just call me that instead. Thank you. Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't know I was supposed to say emo feline. Oh, fine. I don't mean to annoy you. Duh. For that, I'm gonna shoot you right in the face. Know that? And that's my cue. Yeah. Just like, can't get one thing right, can they? Oh, and what are you? Freeze. Oh. And it means I can do this. Ha! Take that. Oh dear. How could I have seen that coming? If only there was someone here to save us. There we go.
Don't you think you can hit my boys and get away with it? Come on, fellas. Let's go. Oh, look who finally showed up.
Right. Do I target him again? Or do I go for someone else? Let's try a sneak attack. Ah, right then. Have I missed anything? How are new recruits doing? Surprisingly better than expected. Perfect.
Whoa. What if, like, I did nothing? I just stood here the entire time. Wouldn't that be cuckoo? It'd be crazy, wouldn't it? Yeah, it would.
Okay, you know what? You're not on one thing, you're on 5 things. So I have absolutely no problems doing this.
No. What was that for?
Peekaboo.
Oh, no fair.
Alright, let's try this again. Take that. Good one.
Ah, don't hit my friend. It's my job. Now's my chance.
Oh, that's just one.
Let's drop the bomb.
Well, thank you.
Remember what I said?
Alright, you.
That's what you get. And that's what you get. And that's what you get. And that's what you get. You all get it.
Someone's got a frog in their throat.
I wonder where all the birds are. I haven't seen them all day. Look behind you next time. Get down from there! Get down from there! Oh, get down from there! Perhaps I don't want to, because I'm rather safe up here. Ever thought about that, pig?
Down I go.
Oh man, I'm really gonna do something. I mean, I can't just sit here and watch him get beat up like this.
Look, I just gotta do it. Here goes nothing. Yeah.
What the? Yeah. You know what? I call it quits there. That was enough. Wait, what? Don't we have a job here? Yeah, I'm leaving. Besides, we're not even getting paid for this, you know? What's the point? If all we're gonna do is get hit, I say, yeah. You know what? I'm gonna go too. It's been kind of boring, really. Not really been that fun. So, bye! What are they doing?
Looks like they're leaving.
Oh, no. Little porks, secret attack!
I think that might be a little bit too late.
Wait a minute, brother. I do believe we're late. Oh. Dear. So you know what? I'm going to go home. Do you want to join me? Yes, that would be splendid. All right, follow me. Brother, dearest, I do know the way home. Can't even keep your own allies on your side, pigs. Gosh, that's pathetic. Yeah, pathetic. Too pathetic. No, mega pathetic. No, ultra pathetic. Galactic pathetic.
Oh my goodness.
Where have you been all my life?
Did we, just become friends? Only the best of friends? Friend, yeah! Let's go someplace and discuss our deepest, darkest secrets. Perfect.
Dead. Wait. So they just left? Aw, he was doing so good. Oh man, I'm gonna miss that pup there, you know? Yeah, hard to believe they just left like that. No warning, no nothing. It's not fair. Anyone I work with just messes up. If you need me, I'm gonna go be eating ice cream alone. And no, you can't have some. That's drama queen.
Right, boys, going back. Everyone back to base.
Oh well, hopefully I'll see him again one day.
Quitting time, finally.
You know what? Maybe I should get some anger lessons. It's just not worth being angry anymore. Or, in fact, maybe I'll just dunk myself in this bottle of water. Yeah, that seems like a good idea. Seems like a perfect idea. Let's do it!
Okay, let's go.
Well, I think that's the first time that he's ever had company that left. Kind of pathetic, actually.
Hey, I'm not complaining. I just got myself a friend.
Heck yeah, you did. Yeah, working with those pigs sure was exciting, but it was a little bit boring. Besides, as the boss always said, you gotta go for the big ones.
That's where you have misjudged me, my friend.
Yeah, now who said that? It's the boss! What are you doing here? Shouldn't you be back at the base?
It appears you did not read what I said lightly before. Losing the thing with those pigs was a very, very bad mistake. And now we lost 3 of my men. I hope you're happy. You have proved yourself to be a failure again.
Yeah, bleh. Those pigs were dumb anyway. Why'd I want to work with them?
No, you stupid Meowth. Those pigs would have been a very beneficial business partner. Now you lose them. I am very disappointed in you.
Oh, yeah, you're disappointed, but why are you doing it with that stupid voice? We spoke about this. Oh, come on, Mjolf. You know better than anyone that it sounds perfect. Besides, how am I to increase the Mafia's brand if I don't sound like a Mafia man?
But you don't even sound like you're in the Mafia.
Enough of that whining now. 'Tis not important. Besides, all that is important now is that I meet these pigs and strike up a better business deal.
Yeah, okay, whatever. Do you know the one thing you've got to do when... Hi. I'm kind of busy right now. Hey. Excuse me. No, down, go away. I'm busy right now. Well, I mean, he was in the way, but I never actually meant to hurt him this entire time. No. That's stupid.